వాళ్ళ నుంచి రావాలి, మన నుంచి అట్లా పోవద్దు.
మరి వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు బ్యాగ్ బయటికి పోయి మొత్తానికి ఏమంటారు
చెప్పండి. అయిపోయింది.
ఈ క్లారిటీ
ఆయనకి ఈ రోజు దీంట్లో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమని
ఎవరు
చదువుతారు సాయి ఇందులో చూస్తావు ఎందుకు క్లారిటీ ఇట్లా వస్తుంది సార్ పర్లేదు ఇది కూడా కానీ కొంచెం దూరం పెట్టండి నీళ్ళు కలుపుకోవాలి
ఫోన్లో వస్తే నేను ఆ స్టేటస్ పెట్టినా
సైలెన్స్ లో పెడతారా
మనం పెడితే వాళ్ళు ఫోన్ చేయాలి
నీ ఫోన్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టండి కదిలే
స్టేటస్ పెడుతుంది ఎందుకంటే ఇవన్నీ చూస్తారు ప్రతిసారి కెమెరా పెడితే చూస్తారు డైరెక్ట్ చేయలేదు సార్ వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా నిద్ర పడ్డలేదు సార్ నిద్ర
పట్టకపోతేనే మంచిది
అది ఎక్కే పక్కనే మాట్లాడుతుంటాను.
నిన్న పెట్టారు కదా పెట్టారు. Shall I start the class?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Nice. So good morning, children. Good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello. How is it? Okay. So good morning, my dear children. So welcome to my class. So yesterday we have discussed about the balance equation. So in this balance equation, so there are two process. So one is the trial and error method, another one is the mathematically method. So already the balance equation you are very well. I hope that so many examples are given yesterday and solve that problems. So today I am going to discuss about a new topic. So that is a chemical equation, more informatics. So chemical equation, which type of informatics given? So chemical equation. Chemical equation. Chemical equation. More informatics. Means chemical equation, only chemical equation, not a balanced equation. So this is very important. So chemical equation, which type of information given? Some members are thought that so balanced equation, which information giving? So not only chemical equation, skeleton equation. So without balanced equation, skeleton equation, which type of information giving? So first one is a physical state. Physical state. Physical state means so in the chemical equation, the reactants are participated in the chemical reaction, chemical equation. So the reactions and products are which physical states are contained. So the type of information given. Second one is heat changes. So heat changes means so in the chemical equation, heat observing or heat releasing. Not only heat but also energy. Energy also it is a form. Heat also it is a form of energy. So heat and energy releasing or observing. So releasing means nothing but a exothermic. Suppose in the chemical equation, the heat it will be observing means endothermic. Next third one is the gas release. So if any gas releasing, so the hydrogen gas or oxygen gas or carbon dioxide gas or that type of information are also. And precipitate form. Precipitate form means so precipitate means unsoluble substance. So chemical equation, which type of information giving it? First one is the physical state. Second one is the heat changes, that is exothermic or endothermic, any gas releasing, oxygen or hydrogen or carbon dioxide, and any precipitate are forming, and the undissolved substance, unsoluble substance are forming. So that how can you denote it? How can you represent it? Right. So this is mainly for information giving in the chemical equation. Let us go. So you explain. So you study for the one by one. So first one is the physical state. So expression of the physical state. Expression of physical state. So first one is the suppose expression of the physical state, one chemical equation you take it. Fe2O3 react with aluminum. So to form an aluminum oxide and fire. Second one is the zinc react with HCl to form a zinc chloride and H2O. So third one is the sodium sulfate, barium chloride, barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So expression of the physical state, so iron oxide physical state is solid, aluminum metal solid, aluminum oxide also solid, and iron also solid. So solid means which symbol are using means that is called a S. Suppose in the chemical equation reactant side any solid are participated. So don't write down the full word, just use symbol is the solid. Next another one, zinc also metal solid, but HCl, dilute HCl. So this is the liquid. So any liquid are participated means so any gas evolved or gas it will be participated means so any substance you could dissolve in the water to form a solution is known as a aqueous solution. So aqueous solution it can represented by the same as well as so this is a new alcoholic KLC. Suppose gas release means so that is the upward arrow. And any precipitate forming means so downward arrow. So zinc react with HCl to form a zinc chloride. So this is a liquid solution. The gas releasing means G and upward arrow. Sodium sulfate already you prepare for the sodium sulfate aqueous solution that represented by zinc. Same as well as barium chloride also you prepare for the barium chloride aqueous solution in this one. So barium sulfate it is a precipitate. So it is right on the liquid. So sodium chloride it is a liquid. This one. So this is the expression of the physical state. So solid means S, liquid means L, gas means G. So very important in the aqueous solution means AQ. Very simple definition of the aqueous solution. Anything, any substance, any matter could dissolve in the water to form solution is known as a aqueous solution. That aqueous solution can denoted or represented by the AQ. Same as well as anything, any substance, any matter, anything, anyway, it can dissolve in the alcohol. So alcohol dissolve, it form a solution is known as a alcoholic solution. So water is the universal solvent, first one. Alcohol is the second universal solvent. You read on anyway. Water is the first universal solvent and alcohol is the second universal solvent. So in the chemical equation, any gas releasing means so compulsory it indicated by the upward arrow. So the chemical equation, any precipitate forming means it is indicated by the downward arrow. Write down these physical state. So expression of the physical state. Next, another one is the expression of the heat changes. Okay, are you understanding? Okay, right. Shall I rub this one?
Sir,
The board was not clear, sir.
Hello.
The board is not clear.
Visual.
Visual problem అవుతుందమ్మా.
Yeah, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, okay.